everyone, today I will show you the new open source AI video tool that will blowing your mind. It's Wan 2.2. Okay, let's jump in. First, just open your browser and search for Wan AI, and then just click on the official link, and then just log in with your Google account, like this. Then you will get 10 free daily credits like this. But here's the best part, generating images and videos will cost 0 credits. So let's try to generate an image. First just click on the prompt box and then choose image and then just describe the image that you want. Like for example, I will type my prompt like this. Maybe like this. And to generate an image without credits, just tap on the settings and then toggle off generate with credits like this, and then just generate. Like this. When AI will give you for result like this, just choose the one that you like. And if you want to upscale it, just tap on the upscale button. And then if you want to download it, just tap on the download. And next, if you want to generate the image into a video, just click on image to video like this, and then just describe or type your prompt in here. For example, I will type like this. Maybe like this. And then just choose your model. And then to generate without credits, just toggle off these options like this. And then just click generate. Okay, because we generate the video without credits and that made the process take a long time like this. So we will just speed it with credits. Just tap on accelerate. Okay, let's play the video. It looks good, right?
The video looks realistic.
Okay, maybe that's it. Tutorial about Wan AI 2.2 that fast, free, and powerful. Just go try it and see what you can create. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.